Today we're going to bring a mole repellent. This is perfect not just for moles, but actually for rodents, snakes, and even squirrels. So one great thing about it is that you don't have to worry about charging it. It automatically has solar. When you turn it on, it immediately starts vibrating. The sonics on the actual floor is gonna repel every animal around under the ground. So this is perfect if you have an area where your plants are being chewed, or you have very precious flowers you want to maintain. This is probably you put in your surroundings. So today we're going to actually test it out and see how well it works. We know that there's a couple moles in this area, so we're going to leave them permanent in some areas and some plants so we could take care of some of the landscape. So let's go ahead and do that. Today we're going to set these up around this beautiful plant right here. They're trying to grow nice little plants, if you guys can see that. But unfortunately they get attacked a lot by moles and rodents and even squirrels too. So we're going to go ahead and implant these. Keep twisting it, pushing it, pressuring it down. Now, I could choose to go even deeper than that, but because I want to get more of the rays of the sun, we're going to leave it out here. And then we grab the other one. There you have it.